Bookbinding. Vilnius University Library has its own restoration department. Here, the buildings of rare books preserved in library's funds are being restored. Restoration department also makes the new binding for valuable books. We will see the main process of binding. We see how the block book is being stitched, how the sewing frame is prepared. For a certain distance, the hemp ropes coated in wax are stretched. The thread is also being rubbed in wax. Restorer starts to sew the block book from the bottom section. The work continues until all block is sutured. Afterwards, the back of block book is smeared with glue. When the glue is dried up, the cores are being cut. Curved block book is placed into the press. Restorer with a special hammer forms the round spine. To sustain and consolidate that kind of spine's form, the plain ribbon is being glued. New headband is replated only if the authentic one is lost or strongly damaged. Plated headband is glued to the formed spine. Headbands not only decorate the book, but also consolidate its spine. If the original fragments of leather binding need to be restored, restorer firstly prepares specially made leather. On the lithographic stone, leather is being thinned with a special knife. Bookbinder restores the original fragment of binding. After restoration, books come back to its place in Vilnius University Library storage.